All right, guys, so here we have the MIG-140, and I'm going to, again, just quickly go through the different modes that it has and what it's capable of, okay? So here we have the 2T MIG full control. So this is more for the more expert welders, the ones who know exactly what they're doing, who can set their voltage with this knob right here and their amperage. Very easy, and you have a really good heads-up display, everything you need to know. And now while you're on your MIG full control, right here on this side, you can decide what wire and what spool you put in very easily. Change all through these, just like that. And then now we can also do different materials as well. And so you have your mild steel, your flux, your AR 100%, and your steel arc CO2 mix. Okay, and then your other mode is Thor Think. Thor Think is really cool because what it does pretty much is that it sets up your machine for you pretty much what material you decide to choose here. So for your steel, it'll set up this right here. And then for your mild, you see as it changes again. So pretty much it becomes a straight, just out of the box, plug and play type of welder, which is great and really easy to use. So just like that. And that's if you have it in your Thor Sync, okay? Then you're gonna click mode again, and that little diagram right there is your arc welder. So this is for anybody who's gonna be arc welding. You got your VRD right there, which is really good to have because it's very safe. It keeps your amps and all those voltages at a safe level whenever you're taking the arc off. And especially if your area is damp or you're working in a small garage, it's really, really good to know you have that VRD on. And then same thing, here you have your volts and your amperage to play around with, okay? Then we're gonna go to our TIG mode, and same thing, just your amperage that you can play around with. And this is for your TIG lift, okay? And then you have your pulse mode as well. So again, very easy to play around with your pulse mode with these buttons. Again, with such a great heads-up display, which looks really good, very clear. And again, this is just a great product right out of the box. And then once you want to get into your 4T, which is just letting your wire run continuously, what you're going to do is you're going to click this button right here. And this will help you get into the step mode. And you're going to switch this right here, and you'll go in between your 2T and your 4T. So your 2T is just pressing the gun, and the wire will come out anytime you press it. And then in your 4T, once you click it, it will have a continuous wire running for whatever job you're doing. And then to just go back to your 2T, you click that button again, and you go back to 2T. And then that's it.